how to fix Intune company portal app not working. So if you want to fix your Intune company portal app not working, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now, even after having a stable internet connection, if it doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is open up your Play Store, go with your search and search for Intune company portal. Now here, if you have any updates on your application, you just need to simply go and update it. After updating, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to go back and then open up your settings. Under settings, you just need to simply scroll down and then go with the apps section. Now from apps, you need to go with manage apps and then go with the search. And here you need to search for Intune. Once you find it, you can just simply go with clear data, which will be on the bottom, and clear the cache. After clearing your cache, your problem will be fixed. Or you can just simply go and uninstall the application and again install it from your Play Store, and that's it. Now if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.